Okay, peace in. There's an update. And it's kind of a sad story. This didn't have a happy ending so far. I tried to get these pieces together. I turned this collection of windows and doors into a solid STL, and this I had already made into an STL. I tried to combine them. I grouped them. First of all, I grouped them, and they grouped fine. And I thought, okay, no problem. Good as gold. Here we go. But watch what happens when I try to export this and convert it to STL. It fails every time. So that was kind of the limit of what I know how to do to get things workable. And so now I'm going to do, I have no choice but to go, hey Christian, because Christian is the guy at Tinker Canada. I scream at and cry to whenever I have a problem I don't understand. So I'll keep you guys posted. Just letting you know that if you have similar projects coming up, you guys are also going to have trouble like this. All right, don't say I didn't warn you. Peace out. Take care.